Mamá me di que te canto un himno de billete verde y un amor latino. La noche en Miami llena de...
Hello, my beauties. I'm Shraddha and welcome to Barefaced Beauty. Today we are doing a Latina-inspired glam look. If you ever wanted to try this style without losing your natural undertone, this one's for you. I'm going to start with a thick moisturizer because for Latina makeup, we have to have a heavy base on the face. Jumping on straight onto the brows, filling in the sparse areas so that I get a nice structured brows without making it blocky. You don't have to be super precise at this point because anyhow we are going to clean it up with the concealer. I am brushing my brows upwards and defining just the lower edge. Latinas do have very thick and structured brows, so I am doing the same. To add more definition to the brows, I am going to clean it up with the concealer. Blend the concealer properly around your eyebrows. We don't want any harsh lines here, so be very precise. In order to avoid layering of the products, I'm going to go in with the concealer first. I'm going to conceal the inner corners of my eyes and wherever I have some discoloration. With the same brush, I'm blending everything out softly to keep the base seamless but snatched. For the foundation, I'm using SHEGLAM's full coverage foundation and I'm going to focus on the outer perimeter of my face. Adding the foundation onto my neck so that my face and neck matches. With a kabuki brush, I'm going to blend everything into my skin. I'm trying to keep the layers as thin as possible so that my makeup won't look cakey. On the eyes, we are using warm browns and terracotta shades. Start with a warm matte in the crease, deepen the outer corner and bring that shape out slightly for the signature lifted look. Taking the pearl shimmer from the palette, I'm going to lightly dab that into my inner corners. For a more wearable look, don't go overboard with the shimmers. Now it's time to add the signature element of this look, the bold eyeliner. If you are a beginner, then follow along what I'm doing. Start drawing an upward line where your upper eyelid ends and join it with the first fold of your eye crease. You got the structure, now we are going to connect it with the rest of the eye. With very steady hand, I am going to connect the wing with the rest of my eyes, and for the inner corners, I am stamping the eyeliner very close to my lash line. For the inner corner, just look down into the mirror and follow your upper eyelid. To make my eyes look bold, I am going to tightline my upper eyelids. Taking the same matte brown eyeshadow, I am going to smoke out my lower lash line. To complete the eye look, I am going to curl my eyelashes and finish it off with a good coat of mascara. I'm skipping the blush for this look. So to add warmth back to my face, I'm going to contour it. I'm going to add contour on my cheeks, my forehead and the jawline, so to give a more snatched and sculpted look. I'm contouring under the cheekbones and along the jaw for the snatched look. Latina Glam loves a defined lip. I'm lining my lips with deep brown liner and going to blend it softly towards the inside of my lip. I'm going to fill it up with the nude lipstick. It works beautifully on brown skin without washing you out. Finishing the look with the false eyelashes so that the eyes look dramatic but not heavy. A little golden highlighter on the cheekbones, nose and inner corner of the eyes. It gives that radiant and confident finish. And this is the final look, guys. Warm, sculpted and confident. A perfect blend of Latina glam with a touch of bare-faced beauty. If you love this look, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments below what kind of fusion looks you would like to see next. Till then, take care and bye-bye.